Welcome guys. Let's do Koti coin technical analysis and price prediction. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. Current rank of Koti is 170 and price of Koti is 35 cents right now. Market cap of Koti is $307 million. Fully diluted market cap of Koti is $7 billion. 24-hour trading volume of Koti is $671 million. That is very huge. And circulating supply of Koti is 868 million. Maximum and total supply of Koti is 2 billion. Let me please show you some statistics. All-time high of Koti was on October 31, 2021, 2 months ago, and price was 68 cents. All-time low of Koti was on November 9, 2019, about 2 years ago, and price was 0.0062. Koti return on investment is 497%, which is good. And it is available on Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase, Huobi Global. And if you want to buy this token on Binance Exchange or Huobi Exchange or KuCoin Exchange, just go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description where you can get these links. Click on these links and register your accounts. After registration, you have to deposit. After first deposit, you can claim $9,180 bounces of these exchanges, which are absolutely free bounces. But only condition is that you have to deposit. You can trade with these bounces, and this is risk-free trading strategy. Let's dive into the content. Let me please show you first chart. That is Koti USDT pair 4-hour chart, and current price of Koti is 35 cents right now. This blue line is a horizontal support at 34 cents price area, and after that next support area is 33 and 32 cents price area, and after that major support is at 29 cents price area. But currently Koti holding this area. If in any case Koti price fails to hold this, in that case maybe Koti price can go down to touch 28 cents price level, because there is very fear in crypto market. Let me please show you fear and greed index. Here you can see extreme fear 15, and that is why maybe Koti price can go down to touch this zone 0.28 cent dollars. If Koti bounce back from there, in that case next target is 39 cents, after that next target is 42 cents, and after that 49 cents. These white lines are our coming targets, and these blue lines are our horizontal support zones. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Currently candles are below from this EMA ribbon, and now this EMA ribbon is turning as a resistance. Candles have to break this 39 cents price area. After that big upside rally will start. Until now we have to wait. And let me please hide this, and let me please show you my second chart. This is Koti USDT pair daily chart, and currently Koti is at 35 cents right now, and it is in descending wedge pattern. This is upper trend line and that is lower trend line. After touching every time upper trend line, price bounce back. Now price is at 35 cents right now, and it have a teeny support at this area. Once it break this area, in that case next teeny support is at this area, which is 29 cents price area. If price break both supports, in that case after that price can maybe go down to 20 cents price area. We have to wait. These areas are very important. 29 cents price area and 35 cents price area. These areas are very important to hold. If Koti hold this, if Koti break this towards the upside, next target in daily is 43 cents, after that 54 cents and 65 cents, beginning of this broadening descending wedge. And if price drop and if price break this, in that case price can go down to maybe 25 cents, because there is also a support zone at this area, 25 cents price area. And least support is at this zone, and it is very bearish, 9 cents price area. But I don't think price can go down to hit these zones. I think price have to hold these zones, 35 cents price area and 29 cents price area. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles have to break this EMA ribbon towards upside. Currently candles are below from this. Candles have to break this EMA ribbon, and after that this upper trend line, and after that this yellow blue line. In that case, upside trend will begin. Here you can see there are several resistances. There are 3 resistances. First resistance is this EMA ribbon. Second resistance is this broadening trend line, and third resistance is the horizontal resistance zone. That is why it can face hard resistance to break this area. And let me please show you some important CPR levels, because these are monthly CPR levels and these are very important to show you. Here you can see, let me please arrange this. Here you can see currently candles are still holding these main CPR levels. If unfortunately candles break these supports, after that candles can hit this zone, and this is bearish target, and it is at 23 cents price area. After that second bearish target is 11 cents price area, but I don't think price can go down to hit 11 cents. I think maybe price can hit 23 cents. I think so. And if price hold this area, and after that our bullish target would be this 49 cents. This is second bullish target 63 cents, and this is third bullish target, which is 75 cents price area. Let me tell you one thing very clearly. Alt season is about to happen very soon. Yes, my dear friends, alt season is about to happen and is about to start very soon, and please be careful. After that, after this alt season, and in this alt season you may see big moves towards upside, and many of the coins can give you maybe 5x, maybe 2x, maybe 10x. You have to wait for this. And let me please delete all these things, and let me please hide this CPR level. And now let me please show you fib levels for trading. Let me please arrange this. Here you can see it is in between 0.61 and 0.5 fib level, which is golden pocket area. And if price hold this area 32 cents, which is 0.61 fib level, in that case next target is 0 fib level, which is 39 cents price area. After that $0.46 price area, which is 0.38 fib level, and after that 0.55, which is 0.23 fib level. And if price touch this 0.61 fib level, which is 32 cents price area, and if price unfortunately break this, in that case next zone is 22 cents price area, and it is fib level to hold, and this is very important fib level. Let me please show you weekly chart. Let me please arrange this. In weekly, this box area is very important to hold, and it is at 24 cents price area. Currently price rejected from this zone 44 cents price area. After that 58 and 69 cents price area. These are coming targets, as well as these are horizontal resistance zones. This is major support is at 24 cent price area in weekly, and after that next weekly support is at 11 cents price area. But I don't think price can hit this zone 11 cents. Price have to hold this area 24 cents price area. There is a teeny spot in weekly chart is at this zone, and it is also a very important spot which is 34 cents price area. If price bounce back from here, next target is 44 cents. After that, next target is 48 cents, 58 cents and 69 cents. These all are coming targets. And if price unfortunately break this zone, then price can go down to touch 11 cents price area, but I don't think so. Let me please show you trend based fib retracement tool and targets. Let me please arrange this chart. Here you can see currently it is at in between 0.38 to 0.5 fib level, which is 30 cent to 37 cents price area in weekly chart. It have to hold this area. Unfortunately, 37 cent price area, it break this. If it hold 34 cents price area, then well and good. Otherwise, price can go down to 30 cents. And if price break this, then next support area is 24 cents, maybe 22 cents price area. And if price bounce back from there, then 37 cent is our next target. After that 43 cent, which is 0.61 fib level. After that 0.78, which is $0.53 price area. And after that 1 fib level, which is $0.65 price area. And once it break this all-time high, next target would be this 1.61 fib level, which is $1 price area. Once it breaks 69 cents price area, next target is $1 price area. This is my technical analysis, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon right now and please share this video with all of your friends and family. And please always keep supporting me. And if you want to grab these bounces, $9,180 bounces of these exchanges, just go to in this video's comment section or description where you can find these links. Click on these links and register your accounts. After registration, you have to deposit. After first deposit, you can claim these bounces. These bounces are tradable. Here you can see you can trade with $4,100 bonus in Bybit, and you can also trade $4,100 bonus in Fimex exchange. These are tradable bounces. Thanks for the watching and always keep supporting me. Take care.